Hey, so the lesson I chose to do over the course of 6 days was the intro to biology. So as you can see, I use Google Classroom to set everything up. So the first day of school is going to be a Monday. I figure that'll be a bunch of get to know you activities. I'm going to explain to them how to set up their online notebook and make sure that they can get into Teams, which is what we're going to be using for our meeting software. So I operated under the assumption that by that time they will kind of understand how things go. So that'll be Monday. We're doing 90-minute blocks. So their homework after Monday is to, well, first in here you'll see that I put the book for Honors Bio. So that's an OpenStax link, and they can download it or download the app or whatever they want to do. Their first homework is going to be read sections 1 and 2, and I attached a PDF to include in their notebook and of reading questions to fill in the blanks sort of as they go along. So I'm going to assume that they will come having done that. They are to turn that in prior to class. It's due August 26th. Then I have a link here for our lecture meeting and class discussion. So they're going to join Teams, and here in Teams, you'll see we have the science department team. I will set up a meeting, and this is where we're going to meet. The other thing that Teams offers is they offer this thing called a channel. So you have your general class stuff, and this is where your meeting files will be, and any other files that you post will be in here, like a meeting agenda or something. So here is a channel, and so what I will do is I will have each class broken up into channels or small groups. And so after I lecture, which should be the first half of class and maybe 45 minutes, which isn't ideal, but they will have a small group activity. They will go into their channels and they will open this worksheet about Sammy if he is alive. And they will use the conversation here to fill out whether or not they think Sammy is alive, to talk to each other about it, and to have a small group discussion so that their exit ticket for the day is this worksheet, is Sammy alive? And they can turn it in here on Google Classroom, or they can turn it in on Teams as well. All right, so their homework for that night and the next day is going to be another PDF. It's a video of Amoeba Sisters, and they have notes to take there. Then the next day in class, we are going to operate strictly within our team small groups. And they are going to be doing a case study in their groups. And the case study is very self explanatory. It comes with a little dialogue, it asks them questions, it gives them a list of videos that they can go watch. And so, what they will do is they will log in at the assigned class time into their conversation and join their small group. And I, as the teacher, can go in and out of all the different groups to make sure that everybody is on task. And so their exit ticket, they'll have a full 90 minutes to do this case study in their small groups, and their exit ticket is going to be this. Then as a review, in order to review for the quiz, I have then added a Edupuzzle, which is an Edupuzzle on the, oh, here, I already have it pulled up, is on the scientific method. And so they can just click here and it will take them to the video, and they can fill out all of that, and I'll get those grades as like a do now sort of grade when they first get into the class. And then on Wednesday, they will have their quiz, which I have put in quizzes. And so quizzes actually links with Google Classroom. They will send a little, quiz, they send a mobile link and a web link all in here. So as you can see, I have lecture, I have discussion, small group discussions, I have videos, I have a case study for small group, I have an Edupuzzle for some homework, and then I put their quiz on quizzes.